up here, and today I got the Sony WF-1000XM4. Anyway, we're gonna unbox it, talk about it, listen to them, see how they are. And I've been waiting for these for a while because like the previous generation was great. This one's been long awaited. They've been talking about this for a while, and Sony be going crazy with this product. So let's get it started. I got goals today. You got goals today. Let's get it done. Here they are, the Sonys. Alright, so it's high-res audio, industry-leading noise cancellation. So it has noise cancellation. Okay, that's good, that's good. It's also made for the iPhone, iPod, Google, Alexa, Android products. It's made for everything, so we good. Alright, so now let's unbox it. Alright, so here it is. When you first open it up, you got the headphones itself, and then you have what it looks like to be an instruction guide. Again, really small compared to the last one, but hopefully comes with as much good stuff as it came with the previous product. Let's take a look inside here. Okay, so it looks like it comes with some instruction guides. These are some quick guides. Noise cancellation quick guide. Okay, so right here, let's see. So right here has a charger, and the charger is USB Type-C, so we know there's some fast charging here. So that's a plus. And then also we have the different buds that comes in different sizes. So the orange, red ones are small, while the blue ones are large. So now let's get into the buds itself. Let's unbox this. Already nice, feels very luxury compared to the iPod. Clearly some wear and tear on these, but it definitely beats in the size because of the slimness. But I'm sure you won't really notice a difference in this. When it comes to a nice case, I have to give it to the Sonys. I know these just came out versus these, but man, when it comes to just a nice, luxurious, hard case, this feels really nice. I like this case, it's really nice. And on the back, you got the USB port, and that's pretty much it. So when you first open it up, you have the nice, beautiful case. Here are the headphones. Whoa, we got a nice magnet feel to it. Oh, I like that. It has a really strong magnet feel when you first pull them out. But here are the insides. You can see there's the magnets. All right, so I like how these look. On camera, it may look white, but I actually got the cardboard cream color, and this is actually gold. So it's like a cream and gold color. But you know, it looks white, but it's not. But still, it looks really good on camera. It looks pretty cool. I like it. Again, they look kind of big, but they're not that big. But I kind of like how big they are because, you know, again, I just feel like they have a lot of parts and pieces inside of it. That's going to be really good in the ears. And also, right now, I'm going to go over the specs. So let's get it started. So now let's get into the specs. I'm really excited for this. The new Sony has a new V1 processor in it. So the new Sonys have a new V1 processor in it. And with that, you can use the new active noise cancellation with less power. So it will be less of a battery drainage. So that's really good. So that's going to give you more time to use the active noise cancellation, less time to charge it, more time to just forget. You know what I'm saying? You can just kick these off, throw them in the case, and not have to worry about it anymore. So that's great. Thumbs up to Sony again. I'm really liking these so far. Next, they have a new ambiance sound control. So what it does, when you have these in your ear, you know, it's gonna sense your surrounding sound and adjust the volume for you to balance out and cancel out the background noise. So I'm really excited to hear that. It's really great. Again, Sony, good job. Again, another thumbs up for that one. Speaking of the ambiance sound, it has a feature where it does listen to the surrounding crowd and the surrounding noise. But if someone were to engage with you and talk with you, it automatically pauses for you so you can actually hear the conversation, and you know, you can engage with that person. And once I guess it feels like the conversation is done, you can automatically hit play again and keep it going. Now, how that feature turns out, let's say someone's beside you talking, hopefully they don't pause for you. You know, hopefully there's a way to turn that off, but I like how there's an option for that, so that's great. So it has improved phone calls, and also it has a new technology built in to where it extends its Bluetooth features, so you can go further with your headphones away from your phone or whatever you're using to play music on. So it has a 5.2 Bluetooth, but it also have a technology that Sony built within to make you go a little bit further with your Bluetooth and have, you know, still a great experience of listening to it. So it'll fully cut out. It'll begin to static and it'll cut out, but you can have further length. So again, another good one for Sony. So now let's talk about the most important thing that I'm a fan of, and I'm sure you guys are wanting to know. So let's talk about the battery case. The previous generation was up to 6 hours. Now it goes up to 8 hours. And I'm talking about the Buds. The Buds have now an 8-hour battery life. And this is with the A and C on. So if you have active noise cancellation on, that's 8 hours. And if you turn it off, we don't, you know what I'm saying? That's plenty of time. That's plenty more charge power. I'm talking about 8 hours with the active noise cancellation on. So yes, listen, while Shorty over there or whoever is over there talking to you, going crazy, put the jumps in, just nod your head. Yeah, I fellas know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Hey, don't take no advice from me, man. I'm gonna get y'all in trouble, but y'all know what I'm talking about. And now the case has now 16 hours of battery life. So while you got the noise cancellation on, which is 8 hours, and then you got 16 hours of the case, that's pretty much 24 hours battery life. But imagine if it's the noise cancellation is off, again, you're gonna have possibly 28 hours of battery life, 30 hours of battery life. And I'm just round up to honestly probably say you're probably gonna have 28 to 29 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation off. But you know, hey, 24 hours with active noise cancellation on and the case, like, you're not losing, you're taking a big W. So again, another good one for Sony. Like, congratulations. Like, they're really going all out. This is why I was very excited for this, because they're doing really great. And so now let's talk about water resistance. It has an IPX rating of 4. That's the same as the AirPods. But the thing is, they actually have a drainage. If you take a look at them, yes, so these are the magnets right here. And this is, you know, the sensor for your ear. Right here, you actually see a little hole. There we go, I got you. The little hole right here is actually a water drainage hole. So you can actually drain the water out from it. You know, you gotta do a little this and that, but it drains out the water. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. These are freaking fire. Like, these are so good. I like just everything about them, just how they look, the way they're designed, just everything. I like the cream color, just really good. I give these are, to me, everything is good except for the phone calls and how it feel on my ears. Like, it's not going into my ears right. Maybe if I change the buds, I may have a better experience, but that's, again, you can't really judge that, you know, because people's ears are different. I can fit my ears perfectly on these AirPod Pros. You may be watching me right now and say they suck on your ears. So you can't really judge somebody off how way it feels on their ears, because everyone's ear is different. So besides that, don't look at that as a negative. Again, there's different sizes that come with it. I probably have to change my size. Alright guys, throw them threes for your boy. I'm out, just deving up. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hope you guys make, you know, hope I helped you guys make a decision. And yeah, these are really great headphones. Like, all around, these are my favorite headphones. I like these. I'm gonna be taking these to work with me, so you better get ready. Alright guys, throw the these for your boy. I'm out. I got goals today, and you got goals today. Hopefully I helped you out with your goal of getting these or not. So I'm out. Thanks for watching. Peace.